TV.
Kwan jopiny moingo milion 40 matiyo koda simbe mag ong'we yamo oluwo chik mar ndiko lai magi mag simbe. Kaka ne owach kod telo mochung'ne weche mag tudruok e pacho ka, The Communications Authority of Kenya (CA). Kambi mar Safaricom otelo kod kwan atamalo 93 mag kastembe gi ndiko kadi margi motelo ne tarik 15 mar dwe mar apar. Jatatije mag CA Rachiloba olero ni jogo ma ondikore kod Safaricom nomedore kowuok kuom kwan atamalo 55 mane nitie dwe mar achiel nyaka kwan atamalo 99. Kambi mar Airtel bende kwan jogo mondikore oidho malo nyaka kwan atamalo 81 kowuok e kwan atamalo 40. Ka oloso kod jofwambo Naivasha, Chiloba omedo lero ni nonro ibiro tim ne jogo mapok ondiko line magi mag simu.
Significant compliance rate, and here we are talking about 93% of all their subscribers are duly registered. And when you talk about those numbers, we're talking about up to 40 million SIM cards out there that are now duly registered. And when you look at Airtel as well, they've moved from about 40% compliance rate to now 81% compliance rate. And now the question we're asking ourselves, who are these 19% in case of Airtel that are not compliant? In case of Safaricom, we're asking the question, who are these 7% that are not compliant? So since the number is smaller, we've tasked them to do a mapping exercise to be able to identify these specific individuals, so that if there are people who have genuine challenges when it comes to registration, we can actually address those challenges and to ensure that they are properly registered. But if they are crooks, people who have misused the system, then we must ensure that those people are actually disconnected from the network.